Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Avery Project. Today I am working on the Monte Carlo again. As much as I want to get around to doing that Mazda like I want, I've got to worry about getting the vehicles that we're already driving up to shape a little better than the one we're not right this minute. I will get to it, but right now we're putting the tie rod end on the Monte Carlo. It's an 02, it's a 3.6 liter V6 front wheel drive. Like I said, I'm putting on the driver's side. I've already got it sprayed down some. I've got it loosened up a little. I'm just in the process of making sure I've got everything ready. Didn't want to start the video off at the, having nothing to absolutely to start with, I don't mind starting videos off like that normally, but today I think I grabbed the wrong size. I did. No, that's what I get. Today's been one of those days. I'm gonna get this mounted up so that way I can get a good view of what it is I'm trying to do. Get a good view for you guys anyway to see what it is that I'm doing. And I'll bring you guys back in a minute. Stay tuned. Alright, well, let's hope that this is working for you guys right here and that you guys can see what it is that I'm working on right here. I hope. Alright, so yeah. Let's hope that this is a good... Alright. We're recording. We're rocking and rolling. Hopefully the camera will stay in its place. I just heard my woman come out. She's out here somewhere. Where you at, BB? He should be untangled. I just untangled him here just a minute ago. He'd spun around the pole. So, as I stated a minute ago, I'm gonna attempt to break all this loose. Hey, while you're over there, honey, will you grab me the 17mm wrench? For some reason I was thinking I was going to be able to get onto it with this tiny socket, but the socket's not long enough. And as you can tell, I've got this right here just barely broke loose because I don't want to move this any farther than I need to. I know it's about a hair, or for me it's like about the width of a fishing string loose. That way I know that where I'm gonna have to roughly go to get this back into place. But I'll know even more here in a minute. Oh, is this one different than the other one? This new one is a 17mm. And that one being a little tight. I'm sorry, babe, I made you grab the wrong one. I didn't make you grab. You grabbed the right one. You grabbed the one I wanted. Oh, puppy dog, puppy dog. Well, I got an 18mm wrench floating around somewhere. So let's hope that it's not an 18. Oh, the 3/4's a little big. Yep. That's going to be an 18mm. Well, I hate having to pause it like this and bring it back, but... Alright, well, here we go. Let's see if this one will fit. Oh, and it does. 18mm. Nice. If you ain't got a breaker bar, you guys have seen me do it before. 2 of these together, you can hook right on there. Like so. If you need a breaker bar of any form, that usually works pretty good. Spin it one way, spin it another. So you get it to break loose. Just like that. Sometimes it's easier to try to put a hair of tightness to it. But then again, if you can tell, I did spray these before I did anything. Yeah. Some people would say, oh, Bill, you cheated, man, you cheated. I say, work smarter, not harder. And then you get, sometimes it breaks loose like that. Which is not what I wanted it to do. And she's spinning. Again, like I didn't want it to do. But if you have the little 10mm, you can stick on there to finish spinning it. Which, I'm tired of getting up and going after stuff. I'll just use this guy if I can to kind of get a little bit of a grip on it. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. Not like it's on there tight, so I should be able to get a bite. No. Hey, honey, will you grab my whole little thing of tools right there? That whole little black kit? I ran into a minor problem on this. Not big, but it's minor. I hope everybody can see what it is I'm doing. I hope. Oh, wow, that's smaller than even them. I hope they can see what I'm doing down here. If not, it'll be a funky video. Sometimes we always need more tools than we really pull out. Nine millimeter? No, it's 8mm. There's gonna be one that I probably don't have. Oh, right there. 5/16. Not bad. Glad I had that. Wow, is this gonna hold? Oh, this little ratchet is so old. Oh, thing is jacked. My big to little is the broken one. Yeah, I broke that. Shit. Shibby. And my littlest one so happens to be broken. I hate having broken tools. Oh, there, you guys, that's another reason you guys can go check out my Patreon page. Give me a hand in doing these videos. Like that. Well, I know this thing doesn't work, so what better way for a guy like me to do my job than to, I guess, being a country boy, I just redneck the crap out of it, I guess. That sounds right? I don't know. Huh. Not like having a bad tool. I guess the next step. For me, just take this old boot right off. Let's see if I can't grab a hold of the base under here. I love doing work. Even better. I ain't got my knife with me today. Frankly, I'm tired of having to look for extra stuff to do these jobs. But this is what happens when I'm working out of my driveway. Guess you could say I need the extra money. Guess I better print me another job first. Yeah, I ain't gonna get into that with everybody today. But if people are interested, they can ask me what's up. I can tell them, but that doesn't really make a whole lot of difference to some people. Can't get that to... Oh man, you can say if you can get it to stick in there, then... My dad definitely knows his shit, so... But I gotta get that brake loose first. Is my knife right up there on the table? Do you by chance know where it's at? Will you look in there and see if it's in there on the stand inside the door? Thank you. Wow, today is gonna be a long day. Huh? The what? Oh, I just moved it this morning because it was. Alright, sorry everybody. GoPro died on me. I don't know if you guys noticed. I was in the process of dinking with this piece here. As you can see, it's all tore up. I had to really bite into her there to get it off. It was a lot of that. There's all nastified and messed up, but I got it off. This is where I had the suction cup working. It was holding off pretty good for you guys right about there, but that's the new one. I had to compensate for an 1/8 inch shorter this shaft was compared to the other. The other one spun off 12.5 time 12 and a half off, 12 complete, and then 1/2 rotation up. So I went ahead and I remimicked that for this piece. I had to pull this down a little bit more because obviously, like I said, this here was an 1/8 of an inch shorter. So I got that done. She's nice and tight. Got her up there past the cotter key. I know it should go through there to hook on, but I ain't doing that way. I'm going to make sure that she's nice and tight. I got some fingerprints on here. It's probably messing you guys all up. Wipe you guys off. There we go. But that's what she was. She was a 17 millimeter down here on this end. Went ahead and I tightened her up. As you can see, a 17 millimeter. Heat tools do work good. Got her all tightened back up. Sorry for the inconvenience on that. I had to let her charge, and it looks like it's going to die again. I just wanted to make sure I got this for you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to toss that tire on. Get this done. If this helped you guys at all, go ahead, hit the like. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. Remember, I will be doing tool giveaways. Little sets, you know, little small stuff like that. Little sets, you know, clamps, you know, stuff like that to get started once I hit 100 subscribers. So if you guys are new, like I said, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for your notifications, because otherwise YouTube ain't going to let you guys know when I post. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video of how to do an outer tie rod end on a 2002 Monte Carlo. And that does go for almost any and all vehicles. On how I did that would roughly be how you do a BMW, a Ford Escape, or any other tie rod end. So hopefully this helped you guys, and you guys have a good day.